Hi, it's Lynn with Soft Squares. I have another box to open today, but this one is different than all the others that I've done. This one is called the So What box. And we're going to do a drawing for someone to get a 3-month subscription of this, so stick around. All right, we're going to open this box. First, I want to tell you a little bit about it. Again, it's called the So What box at sowhat.com. All the information you need will be in the description below. But they do monthly subscription boxes. And what makes them stand out from the crowd is that they have hand-manufactured pre-cut sewing project kits for each month's shipment. So you're going to get different projects each month. You sign up for different types of subscriptions, and I don't know if you can see this, but this is just really quickly what their prices are. I printed it off their website, but this is really a good deal. So it gets cheaper when you commit to a 12-month subscription, or you can just do a 1 month. And the shipping on this is only $4.99 a box. So there is that. But anyway, what it is it's a project box. And she sent me a box that is not the one that's going to be coming out next. This is an older box. It is still available. So if you like what I'm going to open up here, you can go to their website and look under the Sew Supermarket link. I'll put that below too. And supermarket box. Yep. And that's what this is. This is from April 2021. And I want to see what this is. I just got the box and all I've done is broken the tape. So you get a downloadable pattern and a cute little thing about that. They have tutorials. All right. Oh, so we have this really pretty fabric. We've got 2 pieces in here. Let's see what this says in here. Does it say before I just start pulling things out? So this particular box has the, let me show you what this is. Oh, has some bonus items in here. Oh, that's funny. This is in there really good. Okay. So this is what the kit looks like. Everything you need is in here. They've even pre-cut everything. It's just a matter of following the instructions and assembling. They give you all the supplies and it's already put together. So this has 2 sizes. I am getting ready to have another surgery on my other hand, so I'm not going to be able to sew anything for a little bit, but when I do, you will see how I do that. But what they send you in this particular kit, I'm excited to do it, is pre-cut cotton and chiffon fabrics. And actually those are what's in the box. So let's put this other stuff aside. I think those are extras. Prep time is 45 minutes to put it together is what they're saying. Oh, let's get rid of that shine. Then it has step-by-step instructions. So what they send you are the fabrics, cotton and chiffon. Ooh, this is the chiffon. And this is the cotton. See, it's already pre-cut to the size that you need. It even has the circles for the bottoms. And then here must be the other bag, the chiffon and the cotton. So, and then they even send you the thread that you need. This is by Gutermann. It is 100% polyester. It's a white. I can't tell what the number is on there. So, oh, we also get the rope for the drawstring. It even comes with pins and a sewing machine needle. Which is really impressive. So really all you need is the working machine. They're going to supply you with the materials already pre-cut and everything that you need to make this. I'm looking for that sewing machine needle. It blends right in. And there is the needle. Right there. Right there. And these cute little purple pins. So you get these. Okay, you get the pre-cut drawstrings, video and written instructions, pins, thread, and needle, plus a bonus downloadable pattern. And Then we have some extra bonus things in here. There's 2 different sizes included. The kit should be fun to make. Plus the bags can be used for trips to the market, grocery store, or as storage bags for dry goods. Again, I want you to see what this is. This kit is still available. Again, it's called Supermarket Bag, and the link will be below. When you sign up for this, this is not what you'll be getting right away, but it's still available, and there's a couple other ones that are also. And we're doing a drawing, so stick around for that. All right, so enclosed in this also, oh, you can also keep stored noodles, which I see that's what they've done, pasta. Enclosed, you'll also find an extra fabric bundle. Add this to your stash or join me at sewwhatbox.com/group for project inspiration and bonus tutorials. So here's our fabrics. Ooh, this is a really pretty blue. And that is a fat quarter of that. And here's the other one, the turquoise, pretty. So we got these 2 fat quarters to add to the stash. It also says there will be an included dreads seam gauge. These are really nice. These help you be consistent with your seams. I don't sew clothes anymore, but when I did, this is something that was used a lot. If you're a quilter or new to sewing, you might not have seen this or been using it, but this is good in all applications. It's just most commonly seen with clothing, but it is really, really nice because all you do is you move this little gauge to the size that you want, and then it stays there, and then you can measure. It's really, really good for like hemlines, pillowcases, things like that. So all kinds of applications. But anyway, this is included in here, and it's a 6-inch, and there's also a downloadable pattern and the tips to print for the pattern. In addition to the fabric bundle, we're getting bonus project tags, and this is on the ribbon that was wrapped around the 2 fat quarters, and you can see how cute those are. So you have a multi-purpose ribbon there. You can use them as tags. Simply cut the ribbon on the lines between each handmade image and sew in place. They're awesome tags to make great additions to your sewing projects, gifts, and items that you make for yourself. So that's a little bonus. So these are the extra things that came in the box besides the kit itself, which is nicely contained and all in here with the instructions. Now, that doesn't take as much room as some of the other boxes because the patterns and all the paper is downloadable. Not everyone has the ability to print at home, but you can go into any office supply store and you can get things printed there. But the nice thing is it does save on shipping, as well as make these a little bit smaller boxes, but everything you need will be available to you online. So there's a lot more to this than what you see here. I'm really excited to play with this. What you need: sewing machine, iron, scissors, ruler, paper clip, or drawstring threader. Something to pull the string through the pull. So cute. Okay, so it's called Sew What, and Taylor is the gal there. The link is going to be below. All right, so now let's talk about what typically comes in a box. I just showed you the one that she had sent me, but it's one of many. So what can come in the box is, there we go, pre-cut sewing project kit. This. Inside it, you're going to find thread, pins, needle, video tutorial and written instructions, PDF sewing pattern, a bundle of fat quarters, 1 to 3 sewing tools or goodies, access to our Facebook membership group, and bonus project video tutorials. We're going to do a drawing, and I'm going to leave this open through Saturday, April 2nd at midnight Mountain Time. You need to comment in the comments below something that says "Sew What," SEWWHAT, You can also spell it S-O what, as long as I know that's what you're trying to say. The secret code, secret word is for those who stuck around to the end to find out what it is. So you have to get this far to be able to enter into the drawing. So thank you for still being here, and I will contact the winner of that drawing through the post on this link. So when you post it, I will be commenting on that post. So just check back with this and check back on Sunday. So after I've announced the winner, I will post it on my Facebook page for Soft Squares, but also you'll have 48 hours to respond. And if I haven't heard from you by the end of Monday night, I'm going to do another drawing from the same group of people, and then they will have 48 hours and have until Wednesday night. So we're gonna make sure that this gets given away, and make sure you check back. And again, it's called the Sew What Box at sewwhatbox.com. I want to thank Taylor for sending this to me. Let me know what you guys think about this and enter the drawing. That's for people who stick or some of this. In addition to that, there's some extra bonuses in here, which don't let me forget. How are you going to remind me? Okay, floral, they're fat quarters. There's something on there. Try that again. Saturday, December. Give you guys until next Saturday, which I think is the, I don't remember what that is. Look at my calendar. Okay.